What's going on, guys? So you saw in the previous video, found my official hot sauce knife. Very excited about it. But I'm even more excited because I bought myself a new, that's right, you read it in the title, you got excited about it, you clicked on the video. You're probably not even excited about it, probably just going through the motions, like, all right, Jeff, what's going on today? But anyway, I got a new hot sauce spoon, and I'm stoked. All right, so here's the big reveal. You ready for it? There's the handle. There's more of it. There it is. My hot sauce spoon. I love this thing. This is sterling silver, which is antimicrobial. Right? You do have to wash it though. It doesn't just naturally stay clean. Let's see. This is the Marningham. Marningham? I forget. It's hard to read. Look at the viewfinder. Marting. I have a zoom. What am I doing here? Why am I struggling? Here we go. There we go. Marthason. I wasn't even close. Marthason from Norway. This 337 is this style. This is a salt spoon. All right. So originally, this is used in a salt cellar. You scoop your salt. You don't have to be like a behemoth and just grab it with your fingers, right? No, very, very civilized human being. You grab your salt spoon, you dip it in. You only need a little bit of salt, right? You salt your food. So that's what this originally is, but I thought it would be perfect for a hot sauce spoon. I know I wanted a silver spoon, and I know I didn't want to spend $100 on one. So this is what we're with. But it actually works out really well because when I try hot sauce, I only need a little bit, especially if it's super, super hot. So there you go. There's the official setup here. You will see some hot sauce videos soon. I have that mule sauce waiting. I will film that soon. And we'll go from there. So yeah, I mean, when I'm at the store, like I want to actively buy hot sauce that you guys can get. You know what I mean? Like I've done so many in the past and they're like really specialty sauces and like crazy hot. My one rule though is I will not have a sauce with extract in it. My only rule is that I will not have sauce with extract in it. Extract is not meant to be consumed that way. It makes sauces taste bad to begin with. I don't care how hot it is, but it's got to be natural. That's my only rule. But yeah, that's it. We'll continue the journey. Once in a while, we'll try some hot sauce. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to share that exciting moment with you. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.